I don't know about you, but it seems that sound design has taken a backseat in today's media. You get scenes that are hard to understand followed by loud scenes that can make your ears bleed. In iOS 18.2, Apple has added a volume limiter setting that can save you from this travesty. To set the volume limit on iPhone in iOS 18.2, launch the Settings app and open the Sounds and Haptic settings. Tap the volume limit setting and enable the setting for limit maximum volume. You can use the slider to set it anywhere between 20 and 90%. I have found that setting it at 80% is the sweet spot. It prevents speakers from crackling even at the loudest volume. Note that this feature will only work when playing movies, TV shows or any other media. This limit will not affect phone calls, FaceTime calls, alarms or ringtones. iOS 18.2 also allows you to add volume slider on the lock screen. Click on this video to learn how to do it. Note that iOS 18.2 is still in beta at the time of publishing this video. You can learn how to install it by watching this video next or wait for the stable release, which should be coming in a week or so. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.